Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your favorite host, Diablo, and today I'm going to help you to fix your problem with Elder Scrolls. No sound. When you start the game, there is no sound. Oh, look at this amazing game, man. It looks so awesome. It's a special edition. Oh man, I can't wait to play this. Oh, look at that amazing intro. You see, there's actually sound. Is it possible for it to fix itself? Let me see. Oh, such a nice game, man. I can't wait to play. I really can't wait to play, man. This is so awesome. Such an awesome game. I must be so lucky to have a computer that can run this game. I consider myself very lucky. Uh, what the fuck? As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, there is no fucking sound. What is this? And now I'm going to tell you what's about to happen. You know, this vehicle is going to reach its point. Those guys here are never going to talk, and this vehicle will get stuck. Such an awesome game. So, but as you can see, no sound, nothing. But there is a solution for this, ladies and gentlemen. There is a very easy solution. I will show you how to fix this goddamn problem. So you go into the folder of Skyrim. This is the first step. You click on install. Wait for it. So actually, this is the last step also. This is the last step. If this piece of shit fucking game never existed, you would never have that problem. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope I was very helpful.